At the heart of Africa's fight against HIV and other infectious diseases is a powerful partnership between SANTHE and the Botswana Harvard Health Partnership, also known as the BHP. Together, we are not just conducting world-class research, we are building the next generation of African scientists right here on the continent. At BHP, we pride ourselves in capacity building through training of healthcare workers, undergraduate and postgraduate students, right from master's to postdoctoral levels. Our research covers topics on HIV cure, drug resistance, HIV recency, treatment outcomes, genomics, SARS-CoV-2, human papillomavirus-related cancers, tuberculosis, and viral hepatitis. The research lab also comprises a bioinformatics unit and a biostatistics unit, which support all research activities. Through cutting-edge science, mentorship, and collaboration, our partnership with SANTHE empowers young researchers to lead bold innovations in public health. It's about African solutions driven by African excellence, making a global impact. This is not just a partnership, it is a movement, and the future is being written right here in Botswana. Good day, my name is Catherine Kefetile, also known as Kay. I'm a senior research scientist and a principal investigator for PODISO study at BHP. What is PODISO study? So this is a cohort of adolescents and young adults who acquired HIV perinatally and started treatment within the first 2 years of life. These individuals have now been on treatment for nearly 2 decades. So in my research work, we would like to understand the mechanisms that allow HIV to persist long-term in these individuals despite being on suppressive art. And we do this by studying the reservoir, by characterizing the reservoir or the genetic composition of the reservoir, as well as studying the role of T-cell immunity in this cohort. I believe this work is important for advancing the field of HIV cure research and may pave way for a functional cure for HIV.
My name is Tuelo Mohashwa. I first became a SANTHE Fellow in 2016. At the time, I was very interested in TB research. I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do in TB, but because of SANTHE funding, I got to meet many great scientists who are in the field of TB molecular epidemiology. SANTHE provided me with the support that I needed to complete my master's degree at the University of Botswana. And I also got to spend time in a lab in Stellenbosch University, where I'm currently registered, where I met great mentors in TB molecular epidemiology.
Hi, my name is Bastana Pakedi, and I'm a Master SANTHE Fellow here in Botswana Harvard Health Partnership. My project is titled Hepatitis B Virus Compartmentalization in Cerebrospinal Fluid of People Living with HIV with Cryptococcal Meningitis in Botswana. The aim of my study is to investigate the cerebrospinal fluid as a potential hepatitis B virus reservoir.
Hi, my name is Linda and I'm a PhD fellow under SANTHE at BHP. My project is titled The Effect of First-Line DTG and TDF-containing drug regimens on HIV/HPV co-infected participants. This is a 2-year project nested under the PODISO study, and I'm proud to be sponsored by SANTHE for it.
Hi everyone, I'm Untlamitse Choga, a postdoctoral fellow at BHP and a SANTHE fellow since December 2024. My work focuses on HIV pre-treatment drug resistance in sub-Saharan Africa.
My name is Patrick Moketi, a SANTHE PhD fellow, and I serve as a laboratory scientist at Botswana Harvard Health Partnership, where I'm also pursuing my PhD studies in molecular virology. The SANTHE Fellowship Award has been instrumental in providing comprehensive support for my PhD studies. Beyond the essential financial backing that enables me to pursue my research full-time, SANTHE has connected me to an invaluable network of researchers and mentors across the African continent.
Hi, my name is Natasha. I am a SANTHE PhD fellow at the BHP. My study is looking at actively enrolling individuals who are recently diagnosed with HIV in order for us to characterize their viral strains, and this is the Tekuriso study. So my study is trying to look at if there's been an evolutionary drift towards HIV viral strains that are more transmissible in the era of the treat all policy.
Inspiring.
Inclusive.
Uplifting.
Supportive.
Collaborative.
Passionate.
Forward thinking.
Encouraging. Empowering.
Supportive.